Hi people, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to make a delicious rice dish in few minutes. Very delicious, very little effort, very flavorful. So here I have washed basmati rice. I've washed it thoroughly, and in here I have some mixed veg, peas, sweet corn and some carrots. I have seasoned chicken here. I have onion and pepper. I have my seasoning here. This is chicken seasoning, salt and some parsley, and here I have a can of cream of chicken soup. So this is all I need to make this quick rice dish that will be done in like 10 to 15 minutes. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, keep watching. So I'm going to start off by heating up my pan for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add in my seasoned chicken. So after that has browned for about 5 minutes, I'm going to take out the chicken and put it into a container and set it aside. Then we'll proceed with cooking the rice. Okay, so this is my chicken. It's not fully cooked, it's just nicely browned. I'm going to set this aside and we'll start cooking the rice. Okay, now that the chicken is out, I'm going to add my rice to my container, and then my cream of chicken soup straight into the pot, and add that to the rice. Next, I'm going to add in my chopped onion and chopped pepper. You can use as much onion and pepper as you like. And finally, I'm going to add in my chicken seasoning, salt and my parsley. I'm a little bit light on the salt because you have to remember that the chicken soup has a little bit of salt in it already, so you don't want it to get too salty and too overpowering. So I'm just going to do that, and then to that I will add back my chicken to the pot, because remember it wasn't fully cooked when we took it out, we just browned it. So I'm adding the chicken back into the pot. One thing you should also be aware of is you don't actually need to use cream of chicken soup. You can use cream of tomato soup, you can use regular chicken soup, vegetable soup, whatever it is. The chicken doesn't have to be chicken, it could be just a strict vegetarian option. You can use chunky veggies like broccoli, things like that. Just make it yours and make it as interesting as you would like. So now I'm just going to cover it and allow it to do its thing for about 10 minutes, then I'll come back and check on it. So it's been 10 minutes, literally, because basmati rice doesn't take a long time to cook. So it's time for us to check out our rice. Look at that. Gorgeous. So it's pretty much soft. Let me check it. Yeah, it's still a bit firm, but it's fine. I'm still going to spend some time steaming for another few minutes, but it's a good time to add the veggies now. So let's add the veggies. Okay, so I'm going to add in my veggies. You can add as much or as little as you want. The veggies is not compulsory, but it's a nice addition. I also noticed that it needs a little bit more salt, so I'll be adding a bit more salt as well. And then I'm just going to... And don't be like me, next time use a bigger pot. But yeah, this is exactly what I had in mind. I've done this several times with pasta, but this is my first time doing this with rice, and I am loving the results. So this is for those times where you want to have something wholesome, but you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Obviously, it's helpful that if you have seasoned chicken already in your freezer. If you don't, you can use things like prawns, shrimps, whatever you have on hand, or you don't have to use any form of meat at all. You can just use veggies or sausages or whatever you have on hand. So yeah, that is it. That is our gorgeous looking rice. I'm just going to allow that to steam for about 2-3 minutes, and then we'll plate that. Now it's time to plate our rice. So I have my plate there. I'm just going to give myself a nice generous serving. Very generous, because I'm going to be adding as much chicken as my spoon will take. Small chicken from the road. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good enough to eat? I'm so happy the way this rice turned out. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of parsley. And now for the taste test. You really should try this. And the creaminess from the chicken soup really comes through as well. Let me try the chicken. So soft, so tender, really nice. This is a must try recipe. Thanks for watching.